Hello, I'm Mike Bailey, one of the volunteers on the Barbara McLellan Canal boat, and I'm also its maintenance coordinator. The new season is just around the corner, but to enjoy cruising aboard the Barbara McLellan, the maintenance team has been hard at work, busy making preparation. To make our boat look shipshape for the Easter start every year, we take it to the dry dock at Hilperton for essential maintenance. Our journey begins in Bradford-on-Avon, and the boat makes its way up the canal to the dry dock. On the day we set off, the weather was not good, and the crew left the mooring in heavy rain, heading down the canal towards the dry dock. Upon our arrival at the marina, rain and wind did not help us to manoeuvre the boat very easily. The wind caused the boat to move around quite badly, and we had difficulty in trying to secure it to the pontoon outside of the dry dock. Using poles and ropes, we managed to finally reverse the boat onto the pontoon mooring, where we left it for the dry dock team from ABC Boats to take over. The following day, the maintenance team returned to the dry dock and began to prepare the boat for the work to be carried out. One of our initial tasks, whilst the boat is in the dry dock, is to thoroughly scrape down the hull below the waterline, removing all of the algae and other material that had adhered to the hull during the past year. This step is crucial for restoring the hull's integrity in preparation for the new bitumen, which will be applied in 2 coats to the entire hull. Working methodically around the boat, the first coat is allowed to dry, and then the second coat is applied the following day. The hull has always had a coating of bitumen on it, although the modern preference would be for an epoxy coating, but with an amount of work required to remove all of the bitumen, this would not be practical. As I work around the boat applying the new hull coating, other members of the maintenance team are busy on other activities. First of all, we rub down all of the paintwork, and whilst that is being done, other members are carrying on with work in the engine room and inside the saloon. Once all the paintwork on the boat has been rubbed down and is ready for painting, a fresh coat of paint is applied, and this includes the bow seating area and the bow floor and the rear deck. The seating is also removed for repainting at this time. Once all of the work on the boat is completed, it will be floated so it can be returned to Bradford-on-Avon, where it is moored. Once the water reaches the appropriate level, the team from ABC confirm that all is clear and that we can depart from the dry dock. The crew then check all is good to go, and we head back up the canal to Bradford. The entire process is conducted annually and depends on the specific work required. It takes between 10 days and 2 weeks to complete, which allows us to address every detail thoroughly. The careful preparation ensures that you can relax and enjoy your cruise with us, feeling confident in your experience, knowing it is well maintained. Do watch out for our future videos on safety about the Barbara McLellan.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.